Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we are checking out the crucial 16GB DDR5 Laptop Memory Module model CT16G56C46S5, and this is a high-speed DDR5 SODIMM upgrade designed for laptops that support modern Intel and AMD platforms, offering improved multitasking, responsiveness, and overall system performance for work, gaming, and productivity. Crucial 16GB DDR5 Laptop RAM CT16G56C46S5. Right from the start, the biggest highlight here is the DDR5 technology, which delivers higher bandwidth and improved efficiency compared to older DDR4 memory, helping modern laptops handle multitasking, gaming, and demanding applications more smoothly. This module supports speeds up to 5600 MHz depending on your laptop compatibility, while also working with systems that run at 5200 MHz or 4800 MHz, making it flexible across many 13th Gen Intel Core and AMD Ryzen 7000 series laptops. Now getting into performance, upgrading from lower capacity memory like 8GB to 16GB can make a major difference in everyday responsiveness, especially when running multiple browser tabs, office applications, editing software, or games at the same time. DDR5 also improves data transfer rates and memory efficiency, which helps newer processors operate more effectively in multitasking and productivity workloads while reducing bottlenecks in memory-intensive tasks. Installation is relatively simple for compatible laptops, since this uses a standard 262-pin SODIMM form factor designed specifically for notebook systems rather than desktop PCs. One of the strong advantages of Crucial Memory is compatibility and reliability, because the brand is widely trusted for laptop upgrades and typically works well across major laptop manufacturers including Asus, Lenovo, Dell, HP, Acer, and MSI, depending on BIOS support. For gamers, this memory upgrade can improve system responsiveness and loading behavior, especially in memory-heavy games, while creators may notice smoother performance in editing, rendering, and multitasking applications. Another benefit is future readiness, because DDR5 is now becoming the standard for newer laptop generations, so upgrading to faster DDR5 memory helps extend the usable life of compatible systems. Real-world feedback on Crucial RAM is generally very positive, with users appreciating stable performance, easy installation, and strong compatibility, though actual memory speed will always depend on what the laptop motherboard and processor officially support. One important thing to note is that some laptops only support single-channel or limited upgrade configurations, so users should always verify upgrade compatibility before purchasing additional RAM modules. In terms of who this upgrade is for, it is ideal for students, gamers, professionals, creators, and everyday laptop users who want smoother multitasking and better overall responsiveness without replacing their entire system. So overall, the Crucial 16GB DDR5 Laptop Memory CT16G56C46S5 is a reliable and high-performance laptop RAM upgrade that combines fast DDR5 speeds, strong compatibility, and improved multitasking, making it one of the best memory upgrade options for modern laptops in 2026.